In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit tax information in Google AdSense. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to your Google AdSense, sign in into your Google AdSense account. Now at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the payments section. So go ahead and click on the payments section. And under this, you'll be able to find payments info. So click on that. In this section, you'll be able to view all of your payments information along with your earnings. So go ahead and click on the manage settings button under the settings section. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for the United States tax info section. So click on that pencil icon beside that United States tax info section. Google is required to collect this information to comply with the tax regulations. So in here, you can go ahead and click on the add tax info button beside the no tax info on file to be able to add your tax information documents. Click on the start form button to start answering the form. Now in this section, go ahead and answer what type of account is your current account on Google AdSense. After that, you'll need to answer if you're a citizen or resident of United States. Now after this, you'll need to select your W-8 tax form type. Now once you have selected your tax form type, you'll need to click on the next button and click on that specific tax form type that you will fill up to, and that will redirect you into the form section where you'll need to enter all of your required information such as your tax identity, address, income type, activities and services performed in U.S. tax reporting, document preview, and your certification and your sign to confirm that all of the information that you've entered in this section is correct. And that is how you can simply submit tax information in Google AdSense. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.